You can completely ignore the addition sign numbers, okay? Just completely ignore it. What we want to do with the subtraction is cancel out all the subtraction sign in pairs. Why? Because minus and minus anyway becomes plus. We just learned that. So when these two we multiply, this is going to become plus. This is plus anyway. One minus sign remains. So I will write minus 24 as my final answer. Welcome back to my channel Crack It with CK. Let's see what we have in multiplication and division of integers. Now in this, I want you to remember just two rules. If it is multiplication, we will multiply. That's it. We have to multiply. Okay, like 4 3s are 12. That's all we have to do. Let us see what we have to do with the signs. If the integers, you have to look at both the integers. If there is a plus and a plus sign, the final answer will have a plus sign. That means if the signs are same, the final answer will have a plus sign. Minus and minus. If two integers have minus and minus sign, again, the final answer will have a plus sign. But if they are different, like one is plus and one is minus, then the final answer will have a negative sign before it. So even if it is like minus and plus, plus and minus, both mean the same thing. The order doesn't matter. If one is plus and one is minus, the final answer will have the minus sign. The very first one, 4 3s are 12. Okay, so I'm going to put 12 as my answer. Plus sign, same signs, plus. 6 4s are 24. First, let us finish that. One is plus, one is minus. Different signs, minus sign. Again, 35. Different signs. What do I mean by different signs? One is minus and one is plus. One is plus and one is minus. They're different. Same. Plus and plus means same. So here the sign will be minus 35. Let us move to the next one. Minus and minus, plus 9 3s are 27. Plus and minus, sign will be minus. 6 8s are 48. Now faster. Same signs, plus sign, 7 4s are 28. Different signs, minus sign, 9 3s are 27. Same sign, plus 6 5s are 5, 6 is 30. That's all that is there in multiplication of integers. Now in division of integers, we almost do the same thing. We divide the numbers and again, same signs, plus sign, different signs, minus sign. Let's see. The first one, same signs. Both signs are same, plus and plus. So what do? Plus sign, and we divide 20 by 4 is 5. Different signs. One is plus, one is minus. So minus. 24 divided by 6 is 4. 18 and 3. Different signs. Minus 18 divided by 3 is 6. So it's minus 6. 36 divided by 9. Okay. So plus 4. 45 divided by 5. Different signs. Minus 9. Same signs. A plus sign. 48 divided by 8 is 6. Okay, 2 more to go. Minus 30 plus 6, different signs. Minus sign, 30 divided by 6 is 5. 56 divided by 7. How much is 56 divided by 7? Sign is plus 8. 7 8 is 56. Okay, now this is when you have to multiply more than two integers. Let us see what we can do here. First, remember one thing. You have to deal with the signs separately and then with the numbers separately. Okay, so let us first finish multiplying all the numbers, ignoring the signs completely. 4 3s are 12, 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24 is going to be the multiplication answer. And how do we deal with the signs, guys? Very easy. See, you can completely ignore the addition sign numbers, okay? Just completely ignore it. What we want to do with the subtraction is cancel out all the subtraction sign in pairs. Why? Because minus and minus anyway becomes plus. We just learned that. So when these two we multiply, this is going to become plus. This is plus anyway. One minus sign remains. So I will write minus 24 as my final answer. Next one. This and this becomes plus. First let us multiply. Okay, 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. These two have gone off in pairs. The final sign will be plus 30. Let us first multiply all the integers in the next one. 1 4s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 1s are 24. I'll keep it 24. And how are we going to deal with the signs? Ignore the positive integers for now, and in negative, let us cancel them off in pairs. Okay, minus and minus has become plus, but here we don't have another minus sign, so this one remains. So we will put minus 24 over here. Okay, a couple of sums more after which you can try your test. Next one, let us deal with the numbers. 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24, 24 1s are 24. And what do we do about the signs? Ignore the positive signs. This and this gets cancelled. So final thing is positive 24. The last one, let us multiply first. 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 30 1s are 30, 30 2s are 60. And what about the sign? Ignore all the positive signs and look at pairs for negative. Okay, these two have become positive, but here this one is remaining. It doesn't have a partner to be cancelled off with. So the final answer is 60. I hope I was not too fast and you all could understand what I'm saying. It was very easy, and that is why I did not want to waste too much time. Okay, now are you ready for the test? There you go. Pause the video. Note down your answers. Write it in the comments section. And let us see who all have understood this very clearly. That's all for today. I will come up with some other video very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.